The poems of Basho from Casino Shrine, regardless of weather, the moon shines the same. It is the drifting clouds that make it seem different on different nights. Swift the moon across the sky, treetops below dripping with rain. Having slept in a temple, I watched the moon with a solemn look. Having slept in the rain, the bamboo corrected itself to view the moon. How lonely it is to look at the moon, hearing in a temple eavesdrops pattering. Poems composed at the Kashima Shrine. In the days of the ancient poem, in the days of the ancient gods, a mere seedling this pine must have been. Let us wipe in solemn penitence dewdrops gathered on the sacred stone. In front of the shrine, even stags kneel down to worship, raising pitiful cries. Poems composed at a farmhouse. A solitary crane in the half-reaped paddies that autumn deepens in the village. Under this bright moon over the village, let me help the farmers harvest rice. A farmer's child, hulling rice, rests his hands to look at the moon. Potato leaves are on incinerated ground. I awaited tiptoe to the rise of the moon.
Amazing, all this with the moon.
Yeah. Poems composed in a field. Dyed a gay color, my trousers will be by the bush clovers in full bloom. In mid-autumn, horses are left to graze till they fall replete in the flowering grass. Bush clovers, be kind enough to take in this pack of mountain dogs at least for a night. Poems composed at Ji John's house where we stopped on our way home. Friends, sparrows, sleep if you please, haystack enclosed at my house. Surrounded by a thick foliage of cedars, your house stands pregnant with autumn. We started out, what?
Read that last one.
Surrounded by a thick foliage of cedars, your house stands pregnant with autumn. We started out on our moon viewing trip, calling to halt. A boat ascending the river. This is the end of a visit to the Kashima Shrine from Basho. Who's Basho? He's a Japanese poet from haiku poetry. From when? Oh, who knows?
You can find out.
We know when he's from. He's the 16th. What year is it? He's born in 1644. 1644. Was born in someplace near Kyoto, 1644. In 1667, he moved to Edo, which is now Tokyo, where he continued to write verse. He's strongly influenced by the Zen sect of Buddhism.